Hi guys, today we are making vegetable pulav. For this you will need 3 chopped onions, 3 cut potatoes, mixed vegetables, chopped carrots, a handful chopped green beans, a ball of chickpeas, almonds, peanuts and a small ball of cashew. Fry the onions till golden brown and the other vegetables. Boil the almonds and remove all the skins. Fry the cashew nuts till light brown. Heat the patila and add 3 tablespoons of ghee. For the spices add 5 bay leaves, 2 star anise, 2 cinnamon sticks and 3 black cardamom. Add 3 tablespoons ginger and garlic paste. Add a little water and the peanuts and cashews, as well as 4 teaspoons pulao spices where you could find it on any supermarkets near you. Now you have to mix well and add the remaining vegetables and the fried onions. The number of chili of your liking. Here we are adding 3 chilies and add a small ball of yogurt and chopped coriander. Add 3 balls of rice. And add another portion of fried onions and lastly 2 tablespoons of ghee. Here place a small bowl in the center and pour 2 big balls of water. Add salt to taste. Cover the lid and cook for 25 minutes in low flames. Garnish with the remaining fried onions.